Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn addition of integers. As you can see here, the integers are both positive and negative. So let us see how to add the integers of different sign. While adding integers of different sign, what we have to do is we have to take the integer which is big, the bigger integer, and subtract the smaller one from the bigger integer. So among 3 and 8, which let's leave the sign. Now among 3 and 8, which one is big? Yes, 8 is bigger than 3. So what we will do is we have to subtract 8 and 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is 5. And we will put the sign of the bigger number. So which number is big here? 8 is big. So we will put the sign of 8. That is, the answer is minus 5. Now let us look at the second one. It is very simple. Both are positive integers. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Now the third one. Can you all see here? One is negative and one is positive. So what do? We have to subtract them and put the bigger number sign. So which number is big here? The positive integer is big. So what is 10 minus 9? It is 1. And which sign do we put? We put the plus sign. It is plus 1. That means we can also just write 1. 1 means it is plus 1. So 1 is the answer. Now let's see the next one. Both the integers here are negative. So when both the integers are negative, what do? Yes, we add them. We add both the integers and put the minus sign. Suppose here, as we have seen, both the integers are positive. We add them and put a plus sign. There is nothing here, means it is plus 12. So when both the integers are negative, we add them and put a minus sign. So 10 plus 5 is 15. And the sign we put here is minus 15. So the answer is minus 15. Now here it is 9 plus minus 7. So they both are different signs. What we have to do? We have to subtract them. 9 minus 7 is 2. And which sign? Plus sign. That means it is just 2. Why plus sign? Because 9 is bigger than 7. So we put a sign of the number which is bigger. So 9 is bigger. So we put the plus sign. Now the next one here again. They both have minus signs. While adding the integers with both negative signs, what do? We add the numbers and put the minus sign. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and we put the minus sign. Now let us see the next one. It is minus 4 and plus 2. When it is like this, what we have to do? When one is negative and one is positive, we have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So which is big here? The negative integer is bigger. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and which sign? Minus. So the answer is minus 2. In the next one, we have minus 2 plus 7. So one is positive and one is negative. So what do? Yes, we subtract and put the bigger number sign. 7 minus 2 is 5 and the bigger number is plus. So plus 5, that means you can just write it as 5. 5 is the answer. The next number is minus 4 plus minus 3. So when both the integers are negative, what do? We add them and put the minus sign. 4 plus 3 is 7. And which sign do we put? We put minus sign. So when we are adding integers with both negative signs, we add them and put a negative sign. That is minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7. While adding integers with one positive and one negative sign, we subtract them. 7 minus 2 is 5 and put the bigger number sign. See here and here. They are both different signs. So we subtract them and put the bigger number sign. Here minus 4 is big. So we put the minus sign. Here plus 7 is big. So we put the plus sign. So when adding integers with different signs, we subtract them, and while adding integers with same signs, we add them and put the sign.